Chirp! The snow is so deep. Meow.
Winter's full embrace.
Chirp, chirp! I want to explore. Meow. Let's go see. Can we still reach the park gardens?
We'll make a path together.
We'll make a path.
Together we can.
Chirp!
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Chirp! Meow.
Almost done, dear.
Mama, look! The snow!
Let's go see.
It's so deep!
Easy now, I've got you.
Chirp! Everything looks completely different under snow.
Meow, nature's transformation.
Chirp! So beautiful!
Meow, let's explore.
Chirp! Tracks!
Meow. Chirp bird. Meow, squirrel.
Chirp! How will we find the bird feeder under all the snow?
Look for the tree shape.
Which tree? There are so many.
The one with the low branches.
Okay, I see it. Chirp, chirp, we did it!
The feeder is accessible now, filling it up with seeds.
Yeah, the birds are happy. Chirp. Meow. Chirp. Come rest by the tree.
Oh, thank you. That sounds nice. Here we are. This is better. So warm.
Babsy Bang.
It's starting to rot.
Chirp, is the hound okay in this deep snow?
He'll be fine. The hound is tough.
Chirp.
We'll make sure he's warm too. Let's get to the hound shelter. I'll check the path.
Is it safe?
It's safe. Go on in.
Ah, it's warm. We're all safe. Chirp! We should check where the gardens are buried.
Meow. Good idea. We'll remember where to look in spring.
Chirp, chirp! Let's plan it. We'll map the spots.
Chirp! Spring will be great. Let's find the winter arrangements. Good. Keep searching.
Chirp!
The
There!
winter arrangements mark the spots.
Chirp! This spot.
Chitter! I'll find them right here.
Chirp, chirp! More sticks.
Chitter, chitter, I'll help. Perfect.
Chirp! This is the perfect spot.
Meow.
Chirp! They'll find it when the snow melts. Meow.
Exactly. thinking ahead.
Chirp, chirp. Chirp, our plan worked. The rabbits are thriving. Meow. Kindness has lasting effects, little one. Chirp. Meow.
You did well.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Thump thump, all safe and fed, thanks to you.
Contati sa novita.
All right, let's make a bird.
Chirp,
Now a cat family.
chirp, chirp.
Our garden is beautiful.
Chirp. Chirp, we made a winter gun.
Meow, it's wonderful.
Chirp, meow.
Yes, you did. Such good kittens.
Chirp, the best. So pretty. I want to draw snow sculptures before they melt. I'll get the supplies. Chirp, thanks. Here you go.
Your warmth always helps. Always here to warm you.
Woo! Come share the warm shelter. Woof! Let's gather together. Woo! We are safe now.
Oh.
From spring rain to winter snow, we experienced everything together.
Yes, my dear, those memories will always be with us.
And we'll make many more.
Seasons change,
Meow.
but friendship stays constant.
Meow.
This truth binds us.
Meow.
Through every season,
Meow.
we'll always be here for each other.
I promise we'll care for everyone through all seasons ahead.
Count me in, I'll help care for everyone too.
That's the spirit. Together, always.
Meow. We create family beyond blood.
Chirp,
When we care for others, we become family.
chirp, chirp,
This is our chosen family.
chirp.
You're all my family.
Chitter! I love you all.
Wow, it glitters like diamonds. Sparkly. Chip meow. Chirp, chirp,
Woof, woof, woof.
meow.
Chitter, chitter.
Meow. 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 Winter is hard but beautiful.
Like life itself,
So cold yet so lovely.
a mirror of our journey.
I'm glad we're together. Glad we face every season together.
Always together.
Glad we face every season together. Always.
Glad we face every season together.
Meow. Chirp, chirp, I'm hanging it.
Meow, what a beautiful snow sculpture. Meow, our winter memories are preserved.
Chirp, chirp, more to come. When will spring return?
When winter has given all its gifts. Every season has purpose. You've learned well.
Every season has purpose. You've learned well. Thank you for teaching me about seasons and life.
We learn together.
I love learning with you.
And I with you, my dear.
Meow. 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 Chip, Chip, so pretty.
Meow, my little one.
Chip, winter is magical.
Look, my dear, the meadow is alive with light and friends.
Wow, Mama, can we join the picnic?
Of course. Let's find a nice spot.
Now, let's catch flies. I say, yes, hen. Look, Mama. I'm gonna get them up. Mom, sparks.
Yes, my dear. Watch closely.
They're fireflies. It's magic.
A beautiful sight for us.
Wow, so many fireflies! Mine are just so pretty! Let's catch them first! Yeah, friends forever!
Oh, my little one. Look at these little lights. They came to see you.
Shy, Mama?
Come see the magic.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, look at that painting. How lovely.
It's so beautiful.
The butterflies are glowing.
Can we get closer?
Yes, let's look.
Welcome, my dears. Let's begin our painting.
Yes, Mama. I want to paint the flowers. I'll help with the sky. And I'll do the butterflies. This is so much fun.
What a beautiful circle of artists we have.
I'm painting a sun. Me too. It's so fun.
Yes, keep going. Your lights make it magical.
Yay! Wow, so many colors. Let's paint together. I'm using red. This is so fun. Everyone's painting. My orange paw is ready.
Your butterflies are coming alive with such magic.
Mine is glowing so bright. It's beautiful. We're creating something special.
Yes, a circle of light and wonder. Wow, this will inspire everyone.
The two palm favorites.
Look at the moon. That's it, my dear. A little more blue right there.
Like this, Mama?
A fine effort, young one.
Wow. Can I try?
Of course, sharing our light together. Let's see your colors.
Meow.
That's it. Keep going.
Meow.
Perfect teamwork.
Meow. Wow, look at the stars. The Big Dipper is so beautiful. Now Orion, amazing. So magical.
Look, our firefly jar is done.
It's beautiful. We did it together.
Thank you. This means so much. I'm so glad we're friends. how beautiful your jar is, my dear.
Thank you, Mama. I love yours too. They glow the same.
Yes, just like our love.
Chirp! The snow is so deep. Meow.
Winter's full embrace.
Chirp, chirp! I want to explore. Meow. Let's go see. Can we still reach the park gardens?
We'll make a path together.
We'll make a path.
Together we can.
Chirp! Brr.
Meow.
Meow. Ow! Chirp! Brr. Meow. Boy,
Almost done, dear.
Mama, look! The snow!
Let's go see.
So deep!
Easy now, I've got you.
Chirp! Everything looks completely different under snow.
Meow, nature's transformation.
Chirp! So beautiful!
Meow, let's explore.
Chirp! Tracks!
Meow. Chirp bird. Meow squirrel.
Chirp! How will we find the bird feeder under all the snow?
Look for the tree shape.
Which tree? There are so many.
The one with the low branches.
Okay, I see it. Chirp, chirp, we did it!
The feeder is accessible now, filling it up with seeds.
Yak yak! The birds are happy! Chirp? Meow! Chirp! Come rest by the tree.
Oh, thank you. That sounds nice. Here we are. This is better. So warm.